if this camera will get this. Trying to get the snow coming down right at the camera. I don't know if it'll get it or not. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to get that or not. Damn, my pipe keeps going out. There's actually snow on top of my lens here. I was trying to get the snow coming straight down. I can see it with my eyes. I can't tell if the camera's going to get it or not. I can see it's going to be on the lens. And the camera's just literally covered in snow and water, melted snow. Pipe's going out on me. About done maybe. Anyway, alright guys. Catch you later. I'll get some more of that for you. It's going to do it or not. You see it coming down right at you? It's kind of cool. Alright, catch you guys later.